Hello art friends, welcome to Art That Shines, your friendly guide to branding, storytelling and sales. A course made for creative souls who want to build a thriving, authentic and joy-filled art practice. I'm Ricarda, I'm really grateful you're here. Maybe you joined because you want to sell more art, connect with your dream collectors or just feel more at home in your unique creative identity. Or maybe you're simply searching for more joy and confidence in your daily making. If any of that sounds familiar, you're in the right place. Over the next series of lessons, we are going to take it one step at a time. In each module, we take a real challenge artists face when putting their work and themselves out into the world. You get concrete tools, honest stories, and a nudge to take action right away, so you create actual change and feel your progress. What we'll cover: understanding your unique artist brand, defining your story and signature style, building a creative routine you actually love, finding your authenticity and sticking with it, making practical decisions about pricing and platforms, growing a supportive fan base, not just followers, creating multiple streams of joyful, sustainable art income, protecting your energy, and always keeping the joy and curiosity alive every single week. How you can get the most out of this course is by having a notebook, sketchbook, or whatever you love nearby. After each video, jump into the hands-on prompt. These mini actions and reflections are where real growth happens. Share your wins and questions. The comment section is open and supportive, and you'll always find fellow artists facing the same things you are. Download and use the worksheets and templates I've created for you. Print them out, scribble on them, make them yours. Before we dive into Module 2, I invite you to take just a minute and jot down: why did I sign up? Is it clarity, confidence, community, more sales, more joy? There's no wrong answer. This is a journey for you. Hold on to your answer. We come back to it later. Thank you for being here, for honoring your creativity, and for letting me be a small part of your artist journey. Let's get started.